Hello, welcome back to handpanuary. This one I really enjoy for getting into this flow state because A, it's quite meditative, but B, you're also practicing a little double strike technique here. So we're sneaking some drills and exercises into these patterns. Don't you worry. So here's what we've got. Ding with the right, one with the left. Then the right hand comes over here to play note 5 twice. And you can choose whichever finger you like to play that. Maybe you want to challenge yourself and use a finger you wouldn't normally use. Maybe you want to challenge yourself and actually use this as an exercise to, throughout the pattern, keep changing which finger you use. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to keep it simple for now for the sake of teaching the pattern. So we've got ding, 1, 5, 5, I'm using my index. And then left hand stays where it is. 1, ding, 6, 6. So we've got this like shifting happening here. So we go from this shape to this shape, like so. Right, ding, 1, 5, 5, 1, ding, 6, 6. That's one time round. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Oh, would you look at that? It's a paradiddle. Be intentional with which finger you're using for these doubles. Maybe you can use split hand. This is a good moment to practice that. When we think about flow state is a state of being where you're practicing an activity that is not too easy but not too difficult. It's like just in that space where it's a challenge for you, but not so much that it gets you frustrated and that you have to keep stopping and starting, right? It's just enough that you have to keep thinking about it. Hence, you can't think about anything else. You get into that state of flow, you get sucked in, right? So that's kind of the space we're trying to get to with this exercise. So whatever level of difficulty you need in order to get to that space, whether that's just striking with one finger, not thinking about which finger it is and just getting that paradiddle, or really going in, thinking about the technique of your hands, whatever that looks like, the goal here is to get into that state of flow. And as well, let that be a theme for the rest of handpanuary too. By the way, if you want to share your version of this activity, you can do that. So you can do so in our WhatsApp group, our community WhatsApp group. Please do share that with us. And if you need the notation for this, it's available on Patreon. All right, here we go. So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. We've got that. The next one, we're going to shift it a little bit to make it musical and interesting. We've got ding, 2, 7, 7, 2, ding, 6, 6. So it's the same idea, we're just shifting this bass note and we're just shifting this melody note. That's all that changes. One note changes here, one note changes here, nothing else. Right, so the second version, exactly the same idea. Between the two to turn it into a nice, lovely pattern, whether that's for improvisation, whether you compose something with it, or whether you just want to meditate with it today. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do each one 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Let's switch. 2, 3, 4. Let's switch. twice on each side now. 2. Ready, let's switch. 1, 2, and let's switch. 1, 2, and let's switch. 1, 2, and a little bit faster. Enjoy that one, spend some time with it, get into that flow state with it, and I'll see you in the next one.